I'm back.
It is hot.
It is. What time is it? 4:30? 4:45. We are heading back in. We are refreshed. We have eaten. We haven't slept, but we have rested. It was cold.
Don't recommend.
And we're heading in to Disney Village, where Annette's is still being rebuilt. They've literally stripped the entire thing out. Done the same thing with the Disney shop here by the looks of it.
Yeah.
But we are heading down to a little bit of shopping. Rachel is in need of some tops. Noah is in need of a toy of the day. And I'm just here to give my commentary on the matter. And put some of that, yeah, the card. The balloon is up in the air. Still want to do that. So cool. And yeah, that's the plan for the next couple of hours. We're also aiming to watch a show, to have a bit of food for tea, and just take it easy. It's an easy afternoon. What, by going this way?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are. It's in an hour. Sports. No, it's not a shop, that's a tennis thing. French Open's on, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Alright, let's go see what we can find. That's right, they're up there. Come on, mister. Right, we had a quick walk through the shops. Took a few photos of bits and pieces we like. Not bought anything yet. But we realised we're running out of time for the Mickey and the Magician show, which we've not seen yet. We've already missed the Pixar show, which we wanted to see today, because it was on while we were out of the park. So we're going to make sure we go and see this Magician show, as it is a brilliant show. So, into our premiere, out the other side, turn right at the Magician show. And this is why you don't turn up to shows 50 minutes before they start. That is the queue coming out the door for the Magician show. Let me tell you now, if it's looking like that, there is no chance you are getting in before it gets full. And I just don't want to wait outside. So,
Bear in mind, that is 20 minutes before it starts.
That's crazy.
The last showing on that came out about 10 minutes ago.
Yeah.
That's ridiculous.
It's a busy day. We are going to head down this way. We're going to go find a toy of the day. We're going to start looking in the Spidey shop for Noah. And we're just going to enjoy ourselves. We have made it all the way around to Frozen Land by the North Mountain.
I wish it was the North Mountain.
I wish it was as cold as the North. No, I don't. I love the heat. It is hot though. Where's the child gone? There he is. I can smell the water too. And the Frozen ride is on 50 minutes, which I think let's do it. And then we'll get his toy the day after. It's not been under an hour yet, this trip. Let's go see what the queue is like. We've never queued up for this ride before. First time for everything.
Gliding on the frozen river, Kristen on the surface gleams.
50-minute queue has been 25 minutes, and we are about to get on the ride. That's the ride right there. So definitely not 50 minutes, which is great. If you can hear anything I'm saying above the noise, we'll see you after the ride. We are out of Frozen Land. Frozen ride was done. Not sure if you could hear what I was saying in there, so I'm going to say it again just in case, because it was very loud. But it said it was 50 minutes as we went in.
Then it went up to 55.
Went up to 55, and it was only
25, 30 minutes.
I think we got on the ride as it got to 30 minutes,
Yeah.
didn't it? So, absolutely amazing.
Lovely queue.
It was really nice.
I wish they had water fountains in it.
Yeah, the queues for water around here is a bit
There's
nuts.
just not a lot, is there?
Like, we've just gone into the toilet and filled bottles up after the ride, and I've queued for the entire time. It took everyone else to like go to the loo and stuff to fill the bottle up, which is a bit annoying.
Set that I can see, like per like area.
Yeah, definitely should be a few more when it's this warm. But it's been nice. Noah has got something he wants to show you. Go on, what are you showing them?
I'm a winner because I have 5 toys.
So you got one toy of the day, but in it there's 5 toys, so he feels like he's a winner, which is all a winner for everybody. It's now 6:30. We're gonna go and hopefully actually get Rachel some of the stuff she wanted to get earlier on, because she didn't actually buy any, just the clothes. And then probably make our way back to the hotel and call it another night, because we are enjoying the early nights and the early starts this week. So yeah, I will take you back to the shops. I will show you if we get anything. And then we might call this vlog a day.